Greetings everyone. So my name is Shamin and welcome back to our tutorial. So now since we already had download our GoogleVR, we can try to make a place for you to actually run the GoogleVR. Okay, so in my previous episode, I already added a terrain, but now we start from scratch. Okay, so for this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install the camera. Okay, so for the first thing, let us install the, not say install, let us add the terrain. Okay, this is the terrain. It might take some time to actually make your can move around. Okay, so once it's added, okay, so let us try take this camera. Okay, so now we are going to add something. So as you can see at the camera preview right on my right bottom, you see the view of the camera is like that. Okay, so okay, let me adjust for a while. So the camera will be viewing this part. Okay, so now we are going to do a few things for our GoogleVR to make it happen. Okay, so in the meantime, as you can see from here, first thing in your project, you got to need the directional right. Okay, then the player with the camera and the vertical pointer with its other function, which is the GVR editor emulator, GVR instant preview main, GVR EV system, GVR headset, and GVR controller main. Okay, so now since we had added this, so let's go to here and add a new object. So now let us create empty. So let us start to create empty and bring your asset align with view. So let us look for it. It's okay. Let us go. So this one, let us rename to player. Okay. And then let's try to bring the player to us. Where is our player? Okay, so this one right in front of me is the game object. Okay, so now for the player, as you can see, we are going to add a few things. This is the rigid body, the player walk script, and the character controller. Okay, so the player walk script I will later share with you guys. It is actually related to how you move your mouse in the game. Okay, so okay, from here at the right side of the thing, show you guys. Okay, so now let us add the component. So first of all, the transform is already here. Next, we will add the character controller. Okay, and next will be the player walk script. Okay, so to let you guys know about this player walk script, this is actually a C file. Okay, so if you guys do not know how it had been done, I will show you guys. I will press edit the things and it will take some time. Okay. It will actually lead you to the Visual Studio. Okay. Okay, so we will pause for a while to see the codes. So let us see the Visual Studio file. So this Visual Studio file is quite simple. We just actually set this as a mono behavior, and then we just put this, okay, which is transforming the position of the speed. Okay, so the guys let you know how to add this. So let us add the component, and you rename this as player walk. Okay, but it's okay since we already had going to give you the CS file of this, so you don't have to worry too much. Okay, so now okay, after this, okay, we will remove this component, this player walk script. Okay, and back to our this. Okay, next we will add the rigid body. Okay, so let's type it out first. Okay, so now let us press this, the Y, freeze the position at Y axis. Okay, it's just to make sure that it's along the, like it's over there, as straight at the Y axis. Okay, so next up, from the main camera, make sure that it is dragged into the player. Okay, so let us move our move up our this into the inside the player. Okay, so now the camera, okay, let us drag the camera, oh sorry, let us drag the camera into the our player. Okay, all right, it's already done. Okay, so if you want to know, you want to check, make sure it's still here. Okay, if not, you want to determine it's at the point, you can go to the terrain and go to here, press this button. Hold on. Press the paint button. Okay, and then raise and lower texture. Okay, so let's build this. Okay, and see the camera whether it's at the in front of this. Okay, including the direction controller. Okay, so we will adjust this until it is the camera is inside the, okay. Okay, done. All right. So next up, we will add the GVR Pointer Recaster into this. Okay, so let us find it by typing it. So we type GVR Pointer Recaster. Physics Recaster. Don't add the graphic, add physics. Okay, so this one okay if it's like that. Then let us continue. So from here, okay, let us press all. Let us find the GVR reticle. Okay, so this is the reticle pointer. I try to type it out. Okay, as you can see here, the prefab asset. This is called a prefab. when you see this cube, right, it is called a prefect. Okay, so here you actually can change the color of the reticle. If you don't like white color, you can change it to other colors according to the HTML color. Okay, the RGB, sorry. So I choose orange. Maybe you can choose red to have an obvious color. Okay. So now let us add this, drag this to the main camera. Okay. Don't drag it to the player. Drag it into the main camera. Okay. And in the main camera, try to make sure your tag is in the main camera. Okay. If not, it will cause error. Okay. So I select this into main camera. Then later we'll show you the error. Okay. So now what we still lack of is, since our player is done, now will be this whole set of things, which is the GBR editor, emulator, instant preview, event system, headset, and controller main. Okay. It's as the same method as we learned just now. So we go GBR, type GBR, and we type editor. Okay, take this, drag into here, and then continue to add all of them inside. Okay, instant. Okay, drag this into here again. Then event system. Let's find whether we can get directly. Okay, event system and the headset. Sorry, GVR headset. Okay. And next will be the controller main. Okay. So once we had done, let us test it out. So we double check whether everything is okay and we go. Okay. So now if you press Control, you see it will turn like that. Okay. And you press alternate, you will move your head up and down. Okay. If you want to test whether your player walk is moving, you press your mouse at the left click and move. Okay. So now you know why it isn't moving. Okay. So here's the hint for you guys. So let's get back to our player, and you see your player speed. It is at 0. Okay. So to actually achieve your speed, you can actually press 2 or 3. Okay. So let us try again. You will see you press alternate and sorry. So just now, the error caused, why there is error? So because the main camera had been actually clipped near to our plane, which is this one in front of us. So this down, you just adjust the camera away from the plane, okay, which is this thing over here. Okay, so for actually everything is going well. Okay, so this one later in future, if I'm available, I might teach you guys on how to actually like color your this character controller. But in the meantime, everything is fine now. All you need is to actually understand how to design your terrain. Okay, so thanks for watching and see you during the next episode. Okay.
Welcome to subscribe my channel for more videos regarding to your first video game with Unity with Cikgu Yeap. Thanks for watching.